Good morning, everybody. Chef LaiSha here. I'm at one of the local farmers markets located in Lake County. Today we are at the Green Youth Farm located at the Greenbelt Cultural Center in North Chicago. There are several benefits by supporting your local farmers market. The vegetables are usually picked that day, so at their peak of freshness and nutrition for you and your family. Also, by supporting the local farmers market, you're supporting the local farmer and as well as our agriculture, because it requires less fuel to bring these vegetables to you than it does to ship vegetables from across the nation to your local grocery store. Also, the taste of these vegetables are by far be superior than anything you can purchase at your local grocery store. And if you are a participant in the supplemental nutritional program that services women, infants, and children, also known as WIC, this season you would receive $20 worth of coupons to utilize at any of the local farmers markets in Lake County. However, if you do come to the Green Youth Farm, they will double the value of those coupons for you. So now you will have $40 to spend during the entire season. So today we're going to pick up some of these awesome vegetables to turn into a delicious nutritional meal for you and your family. So stay tuned. Hello everybody, Chef LaiSha again. Today in front of us we have some of the vegetables that we picked up at our local farmers market. So they're going to taste the best and be the best for us nutritionally. What we're going to make today is a summer ribbon salad utilizing all the great vegetables that we picked up at the local farmers market. So we have some awesome cucumbers, some yellow squash, some zucchini, some red onion, carrots, and our favorite Italian vinaigrette. You can use any dressing that you'd like. We're also going to slice some basil. So to do that, you just want to put all your basil leaves together and roll them up as tiny as you can. And then using your chef's knife, you just want to go through and just slice them. Just so all that awesome flavor and nutrition will be released in the salad, and it'll give you a signature flavor, hands down. So just gently, just toss all your ingredients in the bowl. That's already beautiful by itself. This great zucchini. It's going to taste delicious. Red onion, my absolute favorite. The taste, the texture, the bite from it, hands down, it just makes the dish signature. And some beautiful carrots full of that awesome beta carotene, great for eye health. Oh, we lost one. And now we're going to just gently just move all of these around. Hands are the best mixing tools that you can use. And we're going to sprinkle some of the basil within there, so we get that great basil flavor top to bottom throughout. And now we're going to gently add the dressing, the Italian dressing. And you can add as much or as little as you like, totally up to your taste and your family's taste. And we're just mixing all of this fantastic flavor together. And voila, we have a dish ready for our friends and family to come over and enjoy at any of our barbecues. Next, we're going to move over to saute a vegetable melange. We're going to throw some broccoli in there, a little bit of our olive oil. We're going to use some of those carrots as well, some red peppers. And this is a quick and easy side dish that you can add to any dinner, lunch, any brunch that you may be having. Here's some more of the zucchini and my favorite red onion. We're just going to put all that in there and let that just saute that around. And we're going to add a pinch of some fresh garlic in there. And you can add as much or as little garlic as you'd like, totally up to you. As well, let's add some more of that awesome basil to it. Oh, the smell is amazing. Then we'll add a pinch of pepper and a touch of some salt in there, for sure. Make everything wonderful. And you just want to saute that So everything is nice and aromatic. Just only a couple of minutes is all you need with that. And to add just a touch of summer flavor to it, we're going to toss in just a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice. So aromatic and beautiful. Finish it there. And then we can just finish it quickly with some diced peppers on top and a few pieces of basil here and there. And voila, there we have 2 vegetable dishes with the awesome fresh vegetables we got at our local farmers market. And these dishes are so versatile, you can serve them at any family gathering, any dinner, any lunch, any time that you're hungry and in the mood for a great nutritious meal. Have a good day.